So the next thing we're going to look at is our machine settings. So as far as machine settings go, we simply hit menu, we go machine settings. So for machine settings, this is where we're going to make changes to grain handling, our harvest settings, our header, our air conditioning, engine, our calibrations, lights, maintenance, residue management, and our transmission. So the first thing we're going to look at is grain handling. So when we push grain handling, once we get here, the two things that are important is we now have a set full level and a set empty level. So when the machine is completely empty, we can simply hit %0. That will set our empty level. What you'll see is it'll change our live percentage here. We'll also change it on our extended monitor up here on the corner post. When the machine is full, we can simply hit set full level. Now, a lot of times we may want to set that full level at a different position for different customers. Some customers want full just before it starts to hit the roof of the machine. Some people like the full level to be a little bit lower. The idea is that you can set this for what's comfortable with your particular operator. So also from the machine settings screen, we also have our harvest settings screen. This is going to be the same screen that we saw earlier, which allows us to set loss, change our threshing clearance, threshing speed, cleaning fan, chafer clearance, and sieve clearance. Now, a lot of people are going to like the ability that we can simply touch the plus and minuses on the screen. The reality is we also have a physical button for performing those actions as well. Make them down here. So if we want an actual physical push button, we simply push the designated button here, and we make changes with our scroll wheel located here. If we want to make changes to the sieve, we can make those changes here as well. And when the machine is operational, you'll also be able to make changes to our cleaning fan and our threshing speed. You just have to make sure that you have the thresher engaged if you're going to make those type of changes. So it's pretty easy. Like I said, we've got buttons just like we always have all the way back to our 60 and 70 series, but we also can change those on screen, which is different than we could before.